Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Martha G. In this video I'm going to show you how to create this presentation title slide with PowerPoint. So let's get started. The topic of this presentation is about how to master English quickly. For convenience, as usual, next to the design area we have placed the colors we will be using along with the hex codes on that particular title slide so you can practice with us. We got the images from Pexels. We will put the link below in the description to make it easier for you to follow the steps of creating this slide with us so you can practice with us. Of course, you can also choose any image you want that is related to the theme of the presentation and follow the steps of our design. In this presentation, we will insert several images related to our topic that will be pinned to a corkboard. When we learn something, the way we learn is very important because it should keep us up to speed and help us learn quickly and efficiently. The first thing we have to do is insert the image. We go to Insert Picture, this device, we choose the image that we want to insert and click Insert. Then, with the help of the dots, we extend from the left side and then from the right side until it meets the borders of our slide. Then we want to insert the images. Insert Picture, this device, we choose the image that we want to insert, click Insert. We reduce the size. We put it in the desired position. We choose picture styles. Then we go to another image, Insert Picture, this device. Click Insert. We reduce the size. We go to Picture Styles, we choose Rotated White again, and we rotate it from the other side a little bit. Then we want to insert another one image, Insert Picture, this device. We choose the image that we want to insert, click Insert. We reduce the size of the image. And we go to Picture Format, Picture Styles, and we choose Rotated White. We put it in the desired position. Then again we want to insert another image. Insert Picture, this device, click Insert. Click the image, click Insert. Reduce the size. Go to Picture Format, Picture Styles, choose Rotate White. Adjust the size and put it in the desired position. And then Insert Picture, this device. We choose the picture that we want to insert and click Insert. We reduce its size. Go to Picture Format, Picture Styles, Rotated White. We choose and we put it in the desired position. Now we want to insert a rectangle. We go to Insert Shapes, we choose Rectangle, click in the design area, drag and release it. We go to Shape Format, Size, Height, 8 cm, it's about 3.14 inches if you have inches in your settings, and width 17 cm, it's about 6.69 inches if you have inches in your settings. We go and change the color, Shape Format, Shape Fill, we choose the first column, second in a row, the first. Shape Outline, no outline. We go to Shape Effects, Bevel, the first. Shape Effects, Shadow, Outer, second column, second row, the second. And now we go to Format Shape, right click Format Shape, and we set the transparency at 56 to mix the rectangle with the slide, with the rest of the slide. And now we want to insert our title. We go to Insert, click Text Box, click inside the design area, drag and release it. We choose from the Home ribbon PixArt fonts, size 40, color black, and we write our title. Master English in a flash, quick and effective learning strategies. Then we want to insert the presenter's name. Insert, click text box, click inside the design area, drag and release it. We choose again the same font from home ribbon, PixArt fonts, size 20, and we write color black, and we write our presenter's name, Martha G. Santos. We click bold, and this is bold, picture fonts bold. Now we will put small circles into the images that will depict the pins. We go to insert, we choose shapes, we choose oval, click in the design area, drag and release it. Shape format, shape fill with eyedropper, we choose the first color from the left side outside of the design area. Shape effects, bevel the first. Copy, right click, paste. We take it to another image. Shape outline, shape outline, outline. Change this color, shape format, shape fill, eyedropper. We choose the red color from the left side outside of the design area. Right click, copy, right click, paste. We go to shape format, shape fill with eyedropper. We choose the second color, the green from the left side outside of the design area. Again, right click, paste. We put it in another slide, in another image. Shape format, shape fill. We put color black. Right click, paste again. We put another one here. We change its color, shape format, shape fill, eyedropper. We choose the color from the left side outside of the design area. And one more time, right click, copy, right click, paste. We put it in the last color, and we change the color of the pin. Shape format, shape fill, eyedropper. We choose the last color from the left side outside of the design area. Now that we are done designing the title slide, we will put animations. Before you start with animation, you should think in which order you want them to appear. Of course, if you change your mind, you can change the order from animation pane. We go to the big image, we go to animations, entrance fade, start with previews, duration 1.25. We go to the first small image, entrance fade, start after previews, duration 0.50. We go to the first pin, entrance fade, start after previews, duration 0.50. We go to the second pin of the image, entrance fade, start with previews, duration 0.50. We go to the second image, entrance fade, start after previews, duration 0.50. We go to the pin of this image, entrance fade, start after previews, duration 0.50. We go to the third image, entrance fade, start after previews, duration 0.50. We go to the pin of this image, entrance fade, start after previews, duration 0.50. We go to the fourth image, entrance fade, start after previews, duration 0.50. We go to the pin of this image, entrance fade, start after previews, duration 0.50. we go to the last image, entrance fade, start after previous, duration 0.50, the pin of the image, entrance fade, start after previous, duration 0.50. We go to the rectangle, entrance fade, start after previous, duration 1.25. We go to the title, entrance fade, start after previous, duration 1.25, effect options as one object as it is. We go to the presenter's name, entrance fade again, start after previous, duration 1, effect options as one object, and then we go and click the slideshow button to see the final result. Click the slideshow button. We must go to the animation pane and click this text box. We want this text box before the presenter's name. Yes. Now we click again the slideshow button to see the final result. Thank you for watching us. If you want, you can press the like and the subscribe button. We are waiting for you in the next video. Bye!